Do you have any idea why you continue to make zero money online? It's because you keep running red lights. So if you're not making money like this, the chances are you're getting in the wrong traffic sources, the wrong monetization, time and time again. See, I've been in your shoes once before too, throwing everything but the kitchen sink at the wall, hoping that it'll stick. And in the beginning, I was spending tons of time and tons of money trying to get a commission. But I, like you, would spend much more than I made, until now. What if I had a crystal ball? What if I had the sports almanac from Back to the Future 2? What if I had all the answers? And what if I got into only the most hidden online gold mine profit opportunities? It would virtually eliminate all of the stress and money out of the equation. So I created a software that would turn free traffic into huge profit windfalls. A software that would come up with winning combinations of traffic and monetization. And it connects them for you. I'll tell you, I'm really proud of my profit to spend ratio here. This was from 100% free traffic, all organic, and huge monetization. Remember, green means go, but red means stop.
See, I knew that there must be hundreds, even thousands of these amazing profit opportunities out there, but I needed a robot or a super genius like Rain Man to find them all for me on a daily basis. So I spoke to some programmers I knew and asked them if they could take the different APIs from hundreds of sites and automate the comparisons between traffic sources and monetization sources by keyword, product, service, application, website, and industry. And before I knew it, the prototype was ready. The result? I automated the process and have a software control panel that lights up green if there is money to be made. It's my personal digital guide that no one knows about. It was alive. But would it work for my closest friends and family? Well, I needed to find out and find out fast. I handed it down to my wife, my son, and my elderly father. And then came the snowball effect. Now trust me, it's only natural to ask this question. Jamie, this is genius. Why would you make this public? First, you have to understand that before I created my automation, yes, I held these opportunities very close to my heart and would never share them. But as I was telling you, I knew that there must be hundreds, even thousands of these amazing profit opportunities out there. And yes, my software opened the doors to virtually an endless number of them. Hence, there is no possible way to run into competition issues. It's not like people who use my software will be using the same campaigns or the same funnels. These are goldmine combinations of traffic and monetization, so you could literally have 1,000 people on the same profit opportunity, and there would be no problems. And then the minute that an opportunity is not profitable anymore, it would become a red light, and I simply move on to one that's green. So unless there is a global internet outage due to an EMP or mega corporations buy the entire internet, this works. Trust me, for every minute you're not using my automated control panel to cash in on these profit opportunities, you are forfeiting thousands, potentially hundreds of thousands of dollars. So I'd like to introduce Easy Arbitrage. Easy Arbitrage first finds you winning combinations of targeted free traffic and monetization where there is room for huge ROI, and will therefore indicate green, which means go, and then all you have to do after signing up for the free account is connect the two for flourishing income growth. And yes, when you enter the Easy Arbitrage members area, you not only get my cutting-edge software, you'll also get my Easy Arbitrage video guides and tutorials to fill in any blanks you could possibly encounter. So you can duplicate the $15,109 a month I make from these profit opportunities and scale it, as I am doing to make even more in the future. Remember when I told you that there could literally be 1,000 people using the same combinations and it wouldn't get saturated? Well, my beta testers and me make even more money together sharing ideas. So this gives me a huge incentive to really give you the best of the best information and stealth tactics to finding the hottest gold mines available on the planet. Seriously, after cracking open this software and course, if you do not make money, it's because the world ended. Because the time is now and there are millions of dollars to be made. Let's just make sure that we are the ones to make it. Say goodbye to having to build a list, say goodbye to MLMs, say goodbye to funnels, and say hello to my little friend! As you have probably seen already in my case studies, This software is regarded as nothing less than extraordinary. It is in fact so powerful that my beta testers and students have valued it at over $100,000, as that is what some of them have made already. But as I said, I make even more myself with more heads to bounce ideas off of and vice versa. So all I'm going to do today is make sure that my distributors are taken care of to get this out to the masses. So I will offer easy arbitrage to the masses for the bare minimum I can pay my distributors. But look, the light may change green and your car won't drive unless you hit the gas. So it's time for me to ask you, are you ready to hit the gas and start getting paid right now? Then hit that button below and be my next success story. And remember, this is undisputed. You're one of the lucky ones to have seen this page, hands down, and you're being given the keys to the most powerful internet marketing automation software ever seen. You'll have a full 30 days to make sure this is the best investment you ever made, as I am willing to bet that I have represented my software accurately and you are going to love it. And if not, all you have to do is let us know, and we'll get you a refund of your tiny investment right away if you ask within the next 30 days from your purchase date. There is absolutely zero risk here, and you are free to try out easy arbitrage risk-free today. I'm incredibly happy for you and your future now that you are going to be joining, and looking forward to making a ton of commissions with you side by side. Just make sure not to hesitate one more moment, as this is here now, but no guarantee that my distributors will keep this access open. Click the button below, and I can't wait to see you on the inside.